Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this Vivo. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down right away. Then choose System, Languages and Input on Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Now you can click on theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. Then click on one of those images, tap on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on and tap apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!